Hey, it's Zach from At Home Inventions, and today I'm going to be converting this Lego boat into an RC boat. So I've got all the parts right here. I got this beefy motor and ESC for an RC car, this battery, 2-cell receiver, and this little servo that I'm going to use for the rudder. So the plan is I'm only going to use Lego parts and a hot glue gun. No 3D printing or anything like that this time. So this back area is going to be where I have the motor. Something like that. ESC is going to sit right in here. Battery's going to go around here. And then the servo is going to go probably under the motor. So first off, battery's going to go right here. That was really conveniently placed there. And I'm thinking receiver probably like this, and then glued on right about there. So let me grab the glue gun. As you can see, these have been glued to stuff many times. I reuse electronics a lot. So I guess I have some explaining to do for why I haven't made any videos in a while, again. So I was really busy with lifeguarding because I was taking a course so that I could work as a lifeguard this summer. So hey, that should increase the budget for the videos, I guess. But that was 6 to 9 p.m. every day after school, so I wasn't having any free time for about a month probably. And I've also had robotics and stuff, so there were some posts on the robotics channel, which I can put a card up for right there. But other than that, I wasn't really doing much with YouTube. So now I'm back, and it's kind of warm out. It's March, so it's getting better. And I decided it's time to make another boat, because that's kind of my thing. And then I saw this lying around, so why not? So I'm just gonna glue the ESC right there. It's just gonna have to sit on top of the studs. It's not the best, but it'll work. Then I guess this button can go right here, something like that. Yeah, that's all the electronics set up. So now I need to figure out the motor. It's probably best to do something like this, like an airboat, because it's not very good to have this thing underwater. Yeah, I'll take some parts from this side of the boat, put it over here for some sort of mounting area. So if I put these parts here and make this arch, that can hold up the back of the motor. That. And then maybe these in the front. I'm not sure. I'm kind of making this up as I go. It's going to be a little higher up. Well, that's looking good for that. I think I'll put a little glue in between here so these don't come apart like they were. And then I'll need to reinforce these pieces a little bit. Just put this up here somewhere. And then the motor can go just like that. Just drizzle a bunch of glue around here and hope it sticks, I guess. I don't know. It works. So that's the motor mounted, I guess. So now I gotta figure out how to do the servo. This is gonna be the hard part, I think. There's not much of a good place to put it that's not touching this. Okay, so plan B, I'm gonna have to move everything backwards. So luckily, since I made this out of Legos, I should just be able to servo would probably fit well if I put it right here. And I'm gonna have to do something about this wire. Probably just tape it like that or something. Or I'm gonna stick with the Lego theme can use these. I'm a genius, I know. You don't have to tell me. I'll just stick a little glue as a caution. Next step is the rudder. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to make this out of Legos. I might be able to use this part, but I'm not sure. I might have to break the rules here. Since this is covered in holes, I'm going to cheat just a little bit. I'm going to cover it with tape so it still catches the air. This is my channel. I do what I want. So, just to add some stability here to the rudder, I'm going to drill a hole in it right here. And a smaller hole into this Lego rudder piece right here. And then I'm going to use that hole to make a screw hold this in. Let's take this out. Okay, first test, let's see if it floats. Brennan, can you see the boat?
Oh, in the can. It's like part of it is covered by the dock. Move it farther out.
Oh, okay. Hello. It's got a really high center of gravity. Do you know what that means, Brennan?
Wait. I thought center of gravity was only left and right. I didn't know it could be up and down. 'Cause like gravity goes down.
So, here's a little science. I got the motor way up here. This is a really high center of gravity, and the base of the boat is pretty thin. So when I put it in the water, it tips over. So, the way I'm going to fix that is by putting pontoons out the sides of the boat to help with stability. I've done this on a few other boats I've made, like the soda can boat, and it really helps. So, I just got to figure out how to make that with Lego. Okay, so I gained some information from that, and I'm going to have to make some booms coming out the sides with pontoons. So, since this is the only Lego stuff I have, and Lego isn't very buoyant, I think I'm going to have to cheat and... Well, I got two cut off bottles on either side, so not much else to say, but let's go test it. Okay, back outside, time for take two. Stays up right now. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay. Let's just take it for a quick victory lap. So it does like to turn left. That's probably from the torque of the motor. There, that's full throttle. Pretty good. Well, now it's montage time, I guess. Well, that's what I got for this week. Lego boat turned RC. So next week, since it's probably going to be nice out, just like now. Nice. I'll be doing something else, probably boat related. I don't know, we'll see. But that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it. Subscribe for more. And wash your hands. Well, that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it. Subscribe for more. And wash your hands.